Hello. Today we consider the following problem. Given is triangle BCD with angle C equal 45 degrees and obtuse angle D. Also we know the length of the side BD, which is equal 5. If we draw the height of the triangle from vertex C, the base of this height will be outside interval BD, and the distance DE is equal 1. The question in the problem is to find area of triangle. Before solving the problem, I would like to let you know that this problem has two solutions. The geometrical reason for this we will discuss after we find both those solutions. To start, we denote angle BCD as alpha, angle DCE as beta. The difference between them gives us 45 degrees, and we denote the height CE as h. Then we relate alpha and beta to h. How to do this? First, we will find tangent alpha, which is BE over h. BE equals 6, so it is 6 over h. And then we will find the same for angle beta. Tangent beta will be dE over h, or 1 over h. And then we will use the well-known equation of trigonometry, which provides tangent of difference of two angles through the tangents of each of them. Instead of alpha minus beta, we will use 45 degrees. Instead of tangent alpha and tangent beta, we will use these values. And we will have the following expression. We simplify this expression. Here we multiply numerator and denominator with h squared. And we find this relation. Tangent 45 degrees equal 1. And we have equation for h. Multiplying with h squared plus 6, both sides of this equation, we will come to quadratic equation for h. We use well-known formula to solve quadratic equation. And we have two roots. One root corresponds to plus here, it is h1. And second root corresponds to minus here, it is h2 equal 2. So we made a good job and we found the height for given BD and DE. Next step is to find the area of triangle. It is very simple. We just recollect equation to find the area. It is 1/2 height times base of triangle. For h1, we will get first value for area. It is equal 7.5. And for h equal 2, we will find another value, which is equal to 5. As a result, we have two answers for this problem. A1 equals 7.5, A2 equal 5. The problem is solved. And then we will discuss the geometrical reason to have two solutions in this problem. But before, we will make a break and look to this picture. which is very important for us, and then we will continue consideration of the problem. So, why do we have two solutions? To answer this question, let's consider arbitrary triangle with angle 45 degrees at vertex C. And let us describe a circle about this triangle. And then the height passes through point C, has a base inside side BD, and if we know size of BE and ED, we can use solution which is similar to our previous solution to find area of this triangle. And we will have only single solution for area. Actually, we have two solutions, but one of them is negative. Now let's move vertex C along the circle. First, we consider the case when the height CE coincides with the side CD. So we have here a right triangle. In this case, this triangle is isosceles and it has only single solution for area. We continue to move vertex C and consider next the following triangle. In this case, angle D is obtuse angle. We draw the height. It is outside of the side BD. And if we know BD and DE, we can find two solutions for area. Why we have two? Look, the height intersect the circle in 2 points, in point C and in point C1 here. And if we plot the triangle BC1D, we will have here at vertex C1 angle 45 degrees, because this angle and angle BCD, they makes the same chord BD, and we will have the same BD and DE as for previous triangle. So there are two triangles which satisfy the formulation of the problem. They have different area, and this explains why do we have two solutions. With this, we finished analysis of the problem. If you like this video, you may want to click like icon, leave a comment, and subscribe for the channel.